Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. So if you also want to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat, this video is as for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you want to send a picture that disappears after one view on Snapchat, for that first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. So first of all, what you have to do is capture a photo or video that you want to send. Since you want to send the picture, what you have to do is take the photo. So simply take a snap. You can see over here I have taken the photo. Now after you take the photo, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want the picture to disappear after one view, for that what you have to do is look at right. Over here you'll be able to find several icons. So there's no direct option for enabling the one-time view, but what you can do is tap on the timer option that you can see at the last. Now you can see over here the timer will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you set it to no limit, there will be no limit for the people to view your snap. So if you want them to view the snap only once, for that what you have to do is scroll up. Make sure to select the option for 1 second. When you select the option for 1 second, they'll only be able to see your snap for 1 second and it will disappear. So simply select the option for 1 second and tap on the timer icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can send the snap. In order to send the snap, what you have to do is tap on the option send to that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply select the person that you want to send the snap to. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the snap will be sent. So like this, you'll be able to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. So that is how you send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.